Let me tell you 5 facts about me. I have anger and anxiety issues from my adulthood and I'm trying to control it. I cannot function if I do not sleep for minimum 6 hours. Each season I suffer serious allergic issues. I have vertigo, so it's uncomfortable for me to sit on a car and travel. I love so much of spice that even if I need to get admitted in a hospital, next day I will be searching for spice again. मेंटेनिंग बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन एंड अ हेल्दी वेट वाइल ट्रैवलिंग कैन बी चैलेंजिंग। इसके लिए कुछ स्ट्रेटजीज है। सबसे पहला स्ट्रेटजी है कि आप सबसे पहले ही प्लान करो कहाँ जाना है, आपको क्या क्या खाना है और जितना हो सकता है हेल्दी ऑप्शन चूज़ करोगे। सेकेंड है कि आप स्नैक्स पैक कर सकते हो, जैसे प्रोटीन बार हो। जब भी आपको भूख लगती है उसके बीच में आप प्रोटीन बार खा सकते हो ताकि आप कोई अनहेल्दी ना खाओ। थर्डली आप अपना पानी पी सकते हो, जितना हो सकता है पानी पियो ताकि आपकी बॉडी के अंदर जितना भी सोडियम है, जितना भी टॉक्सिन्स है वो निकलते रहे रास्ते में ही जब भी आप ट्रैवल करते हो। एंड फोर्थली इज़ चूज़ वाइसली, कि आप क्या खा रहे हो, चूज़ करो अच्छे से। We got stuck in a landslide and we have to go back 10 kilometers back, and then we have to go through another route. And in the mountains, if you go back 10 kilometers, then it's like 1 or 2 hour reset, like मतलब बहुत दूर जाना पड़ता है आपको वापस, और फिर उसके बाद पहाड़ों के रास्ते में आप स्पीड भी नहीं चला सकते हो, तो आप डबल टाइम पीछे हो जाते हो, मतलब आप रीसेट कर लेते हो। सो राइट नाउ इट्स अराउंड 7 PM, मतलब 7 बजने वाले हैं, और हम पहुंचेंगे प्रॉपर्टी कम से कम 10 बजे को। और यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा ही क्लाउड्स है, स्टॉर्म होने वाले हैं और पूरी रास्ता खाली है। मतलब लोगों को लगता है कि बहुत इजी होता है ट्रैवल करना, ये वो, कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकती है। लैंडस्लाइड हो गया, हमें 2 घंटे के लिए रुकने के लिए बोला था, पर 2 घंटे नहीं रुक सकता। अगर 2 घंटे रुकते हैं हम रात को 11 बजे पहुंचते हैं, और पहाड़ों में रात को 11 बजे पहुंचना मतलब इट्स लाइक सुपर रिस्की। कुछ भी हो सकता है, एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है, ऊपर से गिर सकते हो, कुछ भी हो सकता है। अभी जहाँ से जा रहे हैं हम लोग, जो रास्ता जा रहे हैं पूरा अंधेरा है और पूरा जंगल है, मतलब ये। तो हम लोग पता नहीं कब पहुंचेंगे, बट वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट टू रीच जितना हो सकता है। अभी लाइट थोड़ा सा ही बाकी है पूरा अंधेरा होने के लिए, तो जितना हो सकता है भगा रहे गाड़ी बस। तो तब भी कुछ लेके जा रहे थे।
गर्मा 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 गर्मा।
Finally, inside the room after such a tiring and hectic journey, I felt that traveling from Delhi to Manali was not that tiring rather than traveling from Manali to Dharamshala, because there were two disadvantages. One was it was already night time and it was super gloomy and stormy, and you are not able to drive so properly whenever you are in the mountains and also during the night time. So drawn and exhausted, I feel okay. What do I feel right now? I feel so numb, exhausted, drained out, and lack of energy. Everything, like everything is draining me out. So I just need to have my dinner and I'm going to sleep, and I'll show you the room and the view and everything by tomorrow. So I have ordered my dinner. Let me just show you what I have ordered. I wanted to eat something homely after I come here, because only home food can give me comfort and which will keep me full so I can get a good sleep. Let me just show you what I am having for dinner. Machir jhol. This is a Bengali dish where it's like a fish curry, but we call it machir jhol in traditional language. And here we have rice, which also I ordered because without rice, machir jhol is incomplete. I also ordered some salad along with it just to have some refreshment. So let me just have my dinner and I am going to see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Dharamshala is a town surrounded by big mountains in the Himalayas. These mountains are like giant protectors standing tall and strong all around the town. Whenever you are there, you can see their snowy peaks shining in the sun and you can breathe in the fresh, clean air. The mountains in Dharamshala are not only pretty but they also feel very special. They are covered in green trees and waterfalls, making them seem like they hold secrets and stories from the history long ago. People come to these mountains to feel peaceful and to connect with nature. Good morning, everyone, and yes, welcome back from the peak of the mountains, the Himalayas. And this is known as Dharamshala, जहाँ पर monastery है, Dalai Lama है. This is the home of the monks. Home नहीं, मतलब this is where the monastery is, the famous monastery, the Dalai Lama monastery, and if you are a Tibetan, and if any subscriber over here is Tibetan, of course, welcome to your home. Like this is where the monks live. Like इतना सुंदर है ना, आप सोच नहीं सकते हो. And यहाँ का जो view है, it's so mesmerizing. It's clean air, fresh and everything. Like I can feel the air, passing through my nose, passing through my face. It's so good, it's so breathtaking. And yes, of course, as I already told you, traveling is therapeutic for me. And along with that, I try to keep myself healthy as much as possible. And as you can see, I'm here with the yoga mat. So this is just an advice for the people who travel. And if you travel a lot, this advice might work for you as well. You can just take out around 15 to 20 minutes of your day. I know it is very hectic while traveling, because the time you wake up from the morning till the night, you have to roam around, move around, see places, and you feel like कि मैं घूमने के लिए जाऊंगी या फिर अपने लिए टाइम लेके आऊंगी. बट ध्यान रखना, जब भी आप ट्रेवलिंग करते हो, ऑलरेडी आपका फिजिकल एक्टिविटी होता रहता है. गिविंग योर सेल्फ एटलीस्ट 15 to 20 मिनट्स ऑफ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. तो इसका मैं डिफरेंस बता देती हूँ. देखो, अगर जब आप ट्रैकिंग करने जाती हो या फिर कोई भी एक जगह घूमने जाते हो, वहाँ पर कंटिन्यूसली वैसा आपका एक्टिविटी नहीं होता है जिससे आपकी बॉडी कैलोरीज एक्स्ट्रा बर्न करे. बट इफ़ यू वर्कआउट फॉर ए मिनिमम ऑफ 15 to 20 मिनट्स कंटिन्यूसली, तो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर कैलोरीज एक्स्ट्रा बर्न होता है, जो फैट लॉस के लिए अच्छा होता है. और ऐसे ही आप अपने फिजिकल एक्टिविटी और अपने बॉडी को मेंटेन कर सकते हो. सो कीपिंग योर हेल्थ एज अ प्रायोरिटी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वाइल यू ट्रैवल. बिकॉज आप ट्रैवल करने आए हो, आप सब खाना खाओगे, आप सब ट्राई करोगी, यहाँ के लोकल फूड्स, एवरीथिंग, ऑल द क्विजिन्स, अच्छे अच्छे खाना. तो इन ऑर्डर टू हैव दैट, डू नॉट लिमिट योर सेल्फ. ऐसा नहीं है कि ट्रैवल जा रहे हो या ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हो तो आपको कम खाना खाना है. आप जम के खाना खाओ और फिजिकल एक्टिविटी रखो. कीपिंग योर हेल्थ एज अ प्रायोरिटी इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, आई फील लाइक. And yeah, I just feel so good over here. I just feel like I don't want to leave this place. But of course, we have to go back to reality. So yesterday what happened, I was stuck in a landslide, and because of that we reached so late over here, and it was so dark, cold, and no one was there. And especially during the night time in the mountains, no one is visible. So it was a hard time yesterday, and after that I just woke up fresh in the morning. When I saw this view, when I saw this thing, everything was worth it. Let's start my workout. Stay with me and yes, get motivated. धर्मशाला का सबसे यूनिक पार्ट है दलाई लामा टेम्पल, जहाँ पर बहुत सारे तिब्बतियन एंड बहुत सारे मॉन्क्स रहते हैं. द टाउन became a refugee for Tibetan refugees, including the Dalai Lama, after they fled Tibet in the 1950s. The presence of the Dalai Lama and the Tibetan government in Dharamsala has turned it into a global center for Tibetan culture and spirituality. This is not only the home for the monks, but also the locals and other international travelers also visit there and can stay over there as well. Visiting Dharamshala and seeing how monks live there was eye-opening. They don't have many things like we do. Instead, they focus on what truly matters. Like their spiritual journey and inner peace, their simple lifestyle made me think about how cluttered my life is with stuff I don't really need. I realized that happiness does not come from having lots of things. It comes from finding joy in the simple things and from within ourselves.
उसकी साइड में लग रहा है शायद.
Early morning shoots, so we are ready today, and it's our day 2 in this property, and we are going for the shoot. That means the real shoot. कल तो वैसे ही हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा chill किया. We went to Dharamshala and everywhere. So today it will be a very busy and hectic day, and पूरा दिन चलेगा shoot. So I'll show you how it will be and what are things I'll be going to do and कैसे जाएगा. And have a great day ahead. इसका हालत देखो, हमारा हालत ही ख़राब होके रखा है. मैं तो मेकअप पोंछ के मैं सही लग रही हूँ, बट बेचारा मेरे भी
मेकअप नहीं हुआ.
we're back from the shoot and we're just getting around 5 to 10 minutes of break, and then I'm going to have my breakfast over here. I'm having some luchi and some aloo ki sabzi. I know it's a little bit unhealthy, but it's okay. I can have this. I'm also having some fruits and sauté mushroom and boiled eggs and paratha as well. Like, I'm super hungry right now. We are awake from like 6 a.m. in the morning. It's like around 6 to 10, right? Yes, around 3 to 4 hours we are doing continuous shoot. I know I should not have this while shoot because of course my body will get bloated, but I don't know. I like to have, puri and aloo for breakfast. It's very rare that I eat. पूरी एंड आलू की सब्जी. First meal of the day. So we have shifted to a new place, that means a new room, because in the other room there were other guests that are arriving. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ही लोग आ रहे थे. So we have shifted to this place and this room is good, like pretty good. In the same hotel only, and here I am having lunch with pizza. I have ordered a pizza for a lunch. Just a normal chicken pizza and some, you know. It's fine. मतलब इतना भी वैसा नहीं है कि मतलब ज़्यादा अच्छा सा है. We are so tired. इतना थके हुए हैं हम लोग को. कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, हम खा रहे बस. When the day ends and the sun starts to go down, the mountains look even more magical with warm colors painting the sky. Being in Dharamshala surrounded by these mountains makes you feel thankful for able to experience such beauty and tranquility.